So today we're in our wood lot, our maple wood lot, and we're doing some pre-season check on our tubing system. My wife's gone ahead of me, and she's flagged this uh, here as a squirrel chew damage. We got some more flags down here. Um, so then I come along and I'll make a repair to it. I've got my vest on today with my pouches. I've got extra spiles. And here I've got some tees. I've got splices. I got some wire ties. I got a twisty. I got some extra tubing, roll of tubing here to make repairs. And over here I've got some drop lines that we've pre-made up, ready to install. So to repair this, we've got to replace tubing from about here on down past the tree. There's another spot here that needs to be repaired, and then we also have to replace this this destroyed drop line. So to do that, we don't want to just cut our tubing and let it fall on the ground. So what we use is our tension rope. We'll hook this on and show you how that works, and then we can replace our tubing. So we'll hook this on. Yeah, let's hook it on there. And with this little tension rope, we can replace several feet of tubing. So now the rope is holding the tubing up, and now I can go ahead and cut the tubing where I want to replace it. Oh, another thing I found handy, my wife tied on these nice little tether lines for my tools, so if I drop them, I don't lose them in the snow, and I like that. So now we've got the lateral line cut. We'll get some of our tubing unrolled here and make the repair. And that should be about enough there. So now we will clamp our repair tool onto the lateral there. Clamp on here. Just let about a 1/4 inch stick out. We'll slightly flare it. And then put in our splice. Come on down here to where the other, I don't know if you can keep kind of walking around here. Come down here to where the other spot was. And this had been damaged before, and so rather than to go and put another splice right here, I'm just going to come back to here and replace all that again. So we'll connect there, and then draw my tubing up tight. Now the tool here is now making the connection with the new piece of tubing here to the old existing tubing here. And so now I can cut the new tubing, cut the old tubing, and put in another splice. So we'll flare it. Put in the splice. If you can see that. Barbs on both ends. Now we've got new tubing put in. Now we have to put in the drop line. So to do that, tool, clamp onto the lateral line. Cut it. This tool did have a cutter here, but I found that razor blade there was kind of in the way, so I just use this tool. Then our drop line. Flare that tubing again. Put in the new drop line. There you have it. That's how we do our repairs to our lines. Beautiful day here in northern Michigan. It's about 32 degrees. Nice day to be working in the woods. Like I said, this is kind of our main home woods here. So it was good talking with you. See you now.